Okay, to get started on the pimento cheese, I'm going to use two different kinds of cheddar. I'm going to use a medium cheddar and then a white cheddar. I'm just going to shred it up. Okay, they ended up being, let's see, 8 ounces of yellow and about 4 ounces of the white cheddar cheese. Okay. Now to this, I've got a jar of diced pimentos. I'm going to add them to it, to the cheese. A little bit of black pepper. A little bit of salt. I just want to mix this up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to start off with a 1/2 cup of Duke's mayonnaise. Just going to add it to that, to the cheese mixture. Just kind of stir it up. Okay, now I want to add about 3 tablespoons of sugar. There's 1, 2, 3. I'm going to add 1 more little spoon of mayo to make it a little bit more creamier. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to taste it. needs a little bit more sugar. I'll do 1 more tablespoon, so that ends up being 4 tablespoons. A little bit more black pepper. A little bit more salt. I'm just using a different utensil. I'm gonna taste it. Oh yeah, that's better. Okay, so that ended up being 12 ounces of cheddar cheese, shredded, salt and pepper, a jar of diced tomatoes, diced pimentos. It was about 4 ounces. And then 4 tablespoons of sugar, a half a cup of mayonnaise with another spoon added. Okay, now you want to cover this and put it in the refrigerator for about 3 hours or overnight, and it'll be ready to serve. All that cheese will soak up all that goodness. Make it delicious. I'll bring you back when it gets done. Okay, here's what the pimento cheese looks like after it's sat in the fridge for a little while. This was in there for a couple hours. It really will look the best tomorrow, but I just wanted to hurry up and show y'all what it looked like. I'm just gonna put it in my There it is. So it'll be great with a big bowl of chili. Let me get me some out. I'm gonna try it. I like to try it, if I'm not eating it with chili, I like to try it with Fritos. It's really good with Fritos. See? That is so good. I hope y'all give this a try. It's so delicious. Thank you all for coming by. Have a great day.